is interesting because we're not really, are we expecting any precip early in the week?
There could be some flurries around the area Monday night into Tuesday, but nothing like what we just saw last week across North Texas. And I'm all for just being overly cautious, because we've seen from time to time, if you don't, be cautious, we've seen what the roads can look like. So, if there's the power to do it and the ability to do it, by all means go ahead. But yeah, we're not, look outside. There's nothing frozen falling from the sky, and there won't be anything frozen falling from the sky tomorrow morning either. 20 degrees is what it is on the campus of UNT in Denton. Feels like 9 right now. 22 at Dallas Baptist University feels like 6. We're just cold this morning with those wind chills down in the single digits, and your highs this afternoon just a degree or 2 or 3 above freezing for most of you. Across northern North Texas, closer to the Red River, you may not even make it to the freezing point later on today. 31, 32, anywhere from Bowie to Gainesville to Sherman to Paris this afternoon. I'm going to go 33 in Fort Worth and 34 in Dallas. So just barely above freezing this afternoon. And then tomorrow morning, we'll do it all over again. Another hard freeze tonight. Another night to drip the faucets, things like that. By tomorrow morning, it'll be down to 21, 22, low 20s as you start the day tomorrow across North Texas. And your lows this week, low 20s tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, getting back a little bit better Thursday and Friday, 27 Thursday, 30 on Friday. But none of those are anywhere close to record temps. I mean, the records are mostly in the single digits this time of year. Remember, it's normally the coldest time of the year here in North Texas, so you got to get pretty cold before we're talking records. And it's not even as cold as we were around this time last year. Do you remember that we had an Arctic blast last year? We had a little snow, got all the way down to 11 degrees, and we actually spent several days, couple days, below freezing. I don't have that for us this go around because I have us warming up above freezing today, tomorrow, and Tuesday afternoon as well. Clear sky, the sunshine is what's really going to help us out with that. Last January when we had that round of Arctic air, kind of stayed cloudy all day long, and that helped hold those temps down. But I got clear skies and sunshine today. That'll help us get us at least barely above freezing this afternoon. What I do have for you is, as I mentioned, a little flurry activity, maybe some light snow, not tonight, not during the day tomorrow, but tomorrow night. Here's Monday at 7 o'clock. Here's some snow developing across mainly southern North Texas, but some flurries possible elsewhere. Anything more than that, at least for the DFW area to the north, looks pretty unlikely. So it's some flurries to a dusting, less than an inch of accumulation for areas south of DFW, and higher totals actually once you head down into central Texas and southeast Texas. So here's hoping maybe you see some flurries, but most of you really won't see very much. Remember, that's Monday night into early Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon 35, then it's into the 40s Wednesday, 50s Thursday, 50s Friday, 60s maybe by next weekend. Back into the 50s as we end the weekend and head into that following week. For the last several days of January there, we'll be in the 50s with maybe some rain returning to the forecast late next weekend and maybe toward the end of that following week as well.
Ooh, a little bit of everything in that 14-day forecast. Thanks there, Kyle.